How about a little classic SUV time here? 1968 Toyota FJ40 Land Cruiser. One of the earlier years of the Land Cruiser. Now, this particular one powered by a Goodwrench 350 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Aluminum radiator was installed in there, and I'll go over some of the other things that were done fresh on this in a little bit. One of them, notice right up here, brand new winch, custom mounting bracket, bumper, done up nicely. And that is all new within the last year. Truck has a nice patina to it. I mean, it's older paint obviously, and just that look that it's got going for it. Kind of more that SUV, older rock crawler kind of look, and it turns out well. It really does. Looks the part, no doubt about that. These are a fun vehicle to drive in the summer too. Anyway, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, you're going to see some new exhaust underneath there, accelerator mufflers. Check out the interior, underneath the hood. Check out that Goodwrench 350 underneath there. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Now remember, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Last one we had of these around did not last long at all. And again, this one's got a neat look to it. Driven last summer after a lot of these things were gone through. Another thing, brand new tires, 1 summer worth of driving. New rims, wheel covers, new shocks, if you can see underneath there also. Shocks were done. Some of the other maintenance just done on this. The 4-wheel drive also works, and new front hubs were recently put in, as well as axle seals, brakes. I mentioned the exhaust mufflers, aluminum radiator. So some nice upkeep service stuff just done to this vehicle. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And I'm going to pop the hood. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. I'll flip up the back door and open the 2 bottom gate doors. There are a few miscellaneous things that will go with this. In this box is an extra wheel, so if you wanted to put the spare tire holder on the back, you could. Also the wheel cover, miscellaneous parts in a bin, all that is going to go with it. That looks like a seat bottom, or part of the floor underneath the seat setup. So there will be a few miscellaneous parts that do go with this also. And remember, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description, and it's going to take you right to us.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Yeah, cool look with the older paint, kind of keeping that patina to it. A little of the aluminum setting it off. Nice look to it. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. So looking at gray vinyl seats, those are in nice shape. A little bit of piping missing here, but overall, I mean, again, considering you're looking at a 68 Toyota, it just really looks that part and what you would expect. All right, I'm going to start this up. Going to go through a few things here too. Wipers I had working. I'm going to go through where the switches are for it. The heater fan also blows. Appeared all the heater hoses and everything were hooked up. Show you some aftermarket gauges here, but let's start this up. So you can hear it run. Let's check out how this works. Starting the vehicle, left to right. Those 3. That's your aluminum fan. That's your fan up on the aluminum radiator in the front. So click that on, come right over here, just turn the key, fires right up. When we shut it down, we'd reverse what we just did. All right, see a heater down here. This switch right here is for the blower for that heater. All right. This one right here would be your hazards. Also, if you notice, amp meter, oil pressure right up there, and this has started to come up. I've had it running a little bit, so looks like water temperature gauge works also. Now let's come over here. Windshield wipers, high and low, and then headlight switch behind the keychain right here. All right. Hear how nice and easily that started. Sounds good too. Like I said, new exhaust, accelerator mufflers on it. It's going to have a little rumble to it. Why not? Get an idea of the sound. All right, I'm going to come up to the front. I'm going to pause this video a second. I want to open the back doors and we'll get this hood open so we can check the rest of this out here a second. All right, hood pop. First of all, new aluminum radiator. There's your electric fan, and does have an overflow catch can, if you will, which is nice for expansion tank. It appears HEI ignition, looks like new plug wires. 350 runs smooth. Nice sounding engine too. You can see down through the back right in there, the heater hoses were hooked up. All right, I didn't open this back up all the way. Give me 1 second. I still want to show you the back of this, so give me a second. I'll pop this back open. All right, there we go. So you can see the jump seats. These will fold up also, and you can check that out in all the still pictures. I just want to show you how nicely it's finished off back here too. With spray and bed liner type floor, vinyl seats in good shape. Very cool. There, you want a fun little four-wheel drive for a little off-roading. You want one that you can have some fun in the summer with too. This one will check all the boxes. 1968 Toyota FJ40 Land Cruiser. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.